Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Thank you for allowing me into your home. Wanda DePaulo here. As I'm doing this video, that's my bird behind me. 30 years I've had this bird. And yes, he's a great talker. But today, guys, the reason why I'm going live is because, you know what, right now, guys, we need plan B, right? Once again, we're shut down for another couple weeks. And a lot of small businesses, guys, are going out of business. Why? They haven't kept up with the technology, right? Everything that you want, you can buy online. Right now, guys, I really believe if you have a product or service of value to the marketplace, right now you can help a lot of people. That's what I'm about. I'm about helping a lot of people. I want to share with you an online shopping club that not only brings you safer, better quality products at grocery store prices, but we have over 400 natural, green, and consumer goods that are shipped directly to your door, 100% guaranteed. And guys, I want to say then I can't be more proud to represent companies, products, and services that bring that to the marketplace. Today, people don't want to go shopping, right? Or if you're going shopping, guys, you know that a lot of the stuff is not on the shelves, right? Well, I've been talking to you about being aware of what you put in and on your body. Guys, the water you drink, right? You know, we need to be aware of this stuff, not just for ourselves, but for the people around us, you know. Everybody right now is dealing with something, right? Physical, mental, emotional. And right now, you know, we need to take personal action, right? For our body, our mind, and our spirit. You can hear my bird calling me Ma in the background, guys. My bird's calling me Ma. Today I want to talk to you about Plan B. Yes, we have to work a job. Every one of us, myself included, I always work a job, right, to have my freedom. This morning we were talking about, on our mastermind call, if you missed it, right, guys, we were talking about, you know, sometimes in life when you're growing your business, right, you don't have any money. Each and every one of us, right, didn't have any money when we started our business. Why? Because we were starting our business. We had a vision for freedom. We had to overcome some things, right? Overcome obstacles, right? Learning curves. Today, on our mastermind call, my mentor, Mr. Hobbs, and I want to tell you, I'm really fired up and grateful for him, and I'm glad he didn't quit or give up, because none of us right now would even be where we are. And why I say that is because, you know what? In life, it takes persistence and consistency to have anything in life. All right? There comes a point in life where, yes, we need necessities. That's why when I share this health and wellness with you, when I share this with you guys, you know, I'm not asking you to spend any more money than you're already doing, because you're already buying these products every single day. 400 green and natural consumer goods. You're purchasing them. All you're doing is taking a bad dollar, toxic products, switching it to non-toxic products. Okay? For myself, personally, it's a no-brainer. Why? Because I was tired of, you know what, having breathing problems. I was tired of how I was feeling when I was putting certain things in and on my body, how it was affecting me, right? How many of you out there felt tired, fatigued, right? You don't know why? Well, you know what? We need to pay attention to that stuff. It's so important to pay attention to that. So that's what I want to share with you guys today. And if you weren't on that morning mastermind call, I encourage you to join in there. Why? Because body, mind, and spirit. This morning, too, we were talking about energy. Now, many of you guys all know energy is real powerful. There's two kinds of love, right? We're going to talk about love. There's a physical love energy. That's the sex energy between a man and a woman. Or there's that love between a mother and a child, a business partner, from one business partner to another. Our call in the morning is a pure example of that. What I mean by that is we come together from all corners of the world. We come together to learn principle-centered leadership skills that are necessary, right, for everyday life, right, to have better results in our life and in our business. They were written by Napoleon Hill, right, an old-timer that knew that if we put these laws or these principles into play in our lives, right, and we took action every day on our dreams, we could get where we want, okay? Guys, today I want to share with you possibilities, okay? No matter what you do, if you got a product or service out there, I really believe that I'll work for one of the finest health and wellness companies out there. We've been in business for 35 years. I really believe that we can help a lot of people. So if you're looking to switch stores to an all-natural product, right, that's not only better for you, but better for your family, you know what, PM me. The other thing is I want to talk to you about is no child safety caps. If you have children out there, mine are grown guys. Mine are 30 and 20 now. And you know what? When they were little, I don't care how good of a parent you are, you can't have your eyes all the time on your children. And children get into things. So that's a real great feature, and I love that. If your dogs get in your toilet bowl, if your children get underneath the counter. I remember one time my Abby, right, Nana's watching her, and she went in the bathroom, and she comes out, she got all kinds of lotion. She says, Nana, look at me. What I do, I immediately freaked out. But then I said, oh, wow, my stuff is natural, and I don't have to worry that my granddaughter is going to harm her, right, as long as it doesn't get in her eyes. So that, guys, that's what I want to talk to you about. And I want to talk to you about when you're sharing something, right, use it. If you've ever been to my home, everything I share with you, I use. Ladies, natural makeup. That's real big. Today, guys, if you want, I want to share something with you. It's a free gift, okay? I want to give you a free gift. It's my book. It's my ebook. You go Wanda J. DiPaolo /ebook. It's going to tell you my story. It's going to tell you a problem, right, by how using products that weren't healthy for me were affecting my life. And then I'm going to show you the solution, guys. There is a solution to anything that we have out there. So I love you. I appreciate each and every one of you. And go out there. Share your product or service with the world, right? Be a product of the product, okay? Go out there and just help one person at a time. You know what? And that's the other thing we talked about today. Don't be afraid to go out there and worry about what people say or think. Go out there and be passionate about what you want in life. You know what? Believe it. Use it. Because you know what? If you can just help one person, just one person every day, right? You did your job. So that's my deal, guys. I love you. I appreciate you. I invite you every single morning to our morning mastermind call. I love the energy. It's contagious. Everybody's welcome. We don't judge anybody. So I love you. I appreciate you. Have a blessed day. And I'll be talking to you tomorrow.